Hey, thanks for tuning into the review channel. I'm going to teach you a secret that I learned today. I went into Lowe's and I was looking for some power tools, a new drill, saw, things like that. And I saw this kit, Kobalt 24v Maxx Brushless starter set. 4 tools in one. You get a drill, you get a saw, you get a light, and it's like a USB portable charger kind of thing. So you get all 4 items in this kit. It's got a 3-year warranty, 5 years on the tools, on the 3 years on the battery. So I thought this is a cool looking kit, right? But you got to know this really cool secret, okay? This goes for 180 bucks normally, okay? Keep your eyes out at Lowe's. They're reducing them. They're clearancing out the bundles. They're keeping the individual tools, but they're clearancing out the bundles. So this is $179, and I paid $29.90. $175 regular, $29.90 I paid, and I got 5% off using my Lowes card. Like 27 bucks all in. I mean, how can you go wrong? Such a great deal. So keep your eyes out on this tool. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. We'll take a quick look at all these things. Keep your eyes open at the Lowe's Home Improvement. They're clearancing out all their starter sets and all the starter kits. So let's take a look at this set, but keep your eyes open. It's a fantastic deal. Okay, so $29. You can't beat it, right? Unbelievable. Let's take a look at what we got. Making sure it's not junk. Take a look at the tool set. This is the first time I've actually purchased this brand. So I'm actually pretty excited to see what we have here. Take all this off. Stuff here. Let's cut all these off. All right. So hopefully it's all new tools. And you never know. It could be packaged, could have been returned. It could be empty, as far as I know. But let's find out if we got a good deal or not. Regularly $175, $29.90. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I got a good deal or not. Wow. All brand new merchandise. All brand new in the box. So we got the manual. Have an awesome saw. This is a really nice quality saw. I'm quite impressed. 24 volt, max power. Comes with a saw already. It's a 24 tooth, I believe this is. I'll have to check on that. The brushless motor. I tell you, it's pretty good quality. I'm impressed. $24.90. I mean $29.90. I mean you can't go out to eat the McDonald's anymore for $29.90. A little side clip for the drill. Let's take a look at what we got. There's a cool drill. Oh, very nice. I like the black chuck on this drill. That's really nice. That is really sweet. Oh, I'm pretty stoked about that. Feels good in the hand. I like that. So we got the saw. We got the drill, which I like the quality of this. I like the feel of that drill. That's really nice, I have to say. Very, very cool. Let's see what we got here. Here's a little USB. You can see little USB charger. So you put the battery in hand. You can charge some, your phone, or if you need to get some power for USB, you have that, which is really cool. Here is a battery. And what's cool, they all have a little testing. You can test the light right on it. So you can see this is low, needs to be charged. It's probably sitting around for quite a while. So that's cool. So you get a battery. I'm excited. I mean, you've got to go check out Lowe's, check out these stores. They're always doing some kind of bundle, some kind of clearance deals. Always check them out. Here's a light. This is like a nice light, right? This is kind of cool. Let's snap this puppy on here. Let's see. This battery's kind of low, so I probably won't run it. I have to charge it. Oh, no, it works. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Wow. I'm shocked. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. And a charger. So, let's review. One charger, a flashlight, a USB portable charger, so if you have to charge something on the go, your phone or something, there you go. A drill, one drill, which actually nice. I'll tell you, this is the nice quality. I've had DeWalt's, I have Milwaukee. This is right up there. Excellent, excellent quality. I am blown away by this. And a cordless saw. All right, all this $29.90. Check out your Lowe's. Check out your clearance sections. Always check Home Depot. Check every place out. I hope you enjoyed this quick information review, open box deal, whatever you want to call it. Get to the stores, look around. This is I mean, it only comes with one battery, but I mean, what do I want? $29.90. I mean, battery's $29. I mean, this drill goes right now in the store. It's like $130 just for the drill. The saw is $150, like $80, $90, $100 for just the saw. I mean, it's just bananas. Check it out. Please subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Give me a like if you like this video. Share this video with everybody you know, because I'm not sure how long it's going to last, because when they're gone, they're gone. But right now, they're out there. You can also sell them online. If you want to flip them, you can flip them. Or just get it for yourself. It's a great deal. And please subscribe. I really do appreciate it. It does help me out. And have a great day. I'm just excited about this. I mean, look at all this stuff. $29.90. Absolutely incredible. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.